Another thing that we're doing is we are cleaning our washer, doing the regular maintenance on it, which is draining your washer and then cleaning out the creases. So look, my washer, it's an LG, and at the bottom you have this place right here. You pull this out, you drain it there, take out this part, and then you clean it inside with a toothbrush. Done with that, you're gonna wanna clean this in here, and then also you're gonna wanna pull it here, clean down in here, clean down in here with the toothbrush. So when you pull this, pull it forward, and then you scrape it out like that, okay? You're gonna wanna put the nasty stuff on a paper towel or whatever, like that. So let's pull it. Look at all that. It's disgusting, right? Look. Oh, look. It's a hairball. Sick. And then in here, did you think we were done? Now we're gonna put it back and then turn it clockwise and lock it. And then put that up in there. Close it. Now you're good to wash.